In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Stripe to find your API keys with ease. Understanding how to access your API keys is an important step if you're setting up an online store or an application that requires payment processing through Stripe. Let's break this down into simple steps so you can follow along without any confusion. First, let's begin by visiting the Stripe homepage. Open your browser of choice and type in www.stripe.com or simply search for Stripe in your preferred search engine. Once you're on the Stripe homepage, log into your account if you're not already logged in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one in order to proceed. Stripe's registration process is straightforward, requiring some basic information, but assuming you've got an account already, let's move forward. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll notice a vertical navigation menu. It's generally quite intuitive and easy to navigate. Within this menu, you'll see an option labeled Developers. Go ahead and click on that. The Developers section in Stripe is where you'll find all the tools and resources you need for managing your integrations and ensuring that everything is functioning correctly. Upon entering the Developers section, you should now see a sub-menu appear. You're looking for an option called API Keys. Click on API Keys, and this is where the magic happens. This page displays your test and live API keys. The test keys are used for simulating transactions when you're developing your application or site, while the live keys are those you'll employ once you're ready to process real transactions. It's crucial to recognize the difference between these two and how to use them in the right context. Keep in mind that your API keys are sensitive information. You want to keep them secure and only share them in environments that you trust fully. Exposure of your API keys can result in unauthorized transactions, which is something everyone wants to avoid. If you ever suspect that your keys have been compromised, it's a good idea to rotate them immediately to preserve security. And there you have it. You've now successfully located your API keys within Stripe. With this knowledge, you're well on your way to customizing your integration and taking full advantage of Stripe's capabilities. Whether you're finalizing your online storefront or building the next big app, understanding these foundational steps is key to ensuring smooth operations. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to revisit these steps anytime you need a quick refresher on navigating Stripe's API settings. Happy coding!